What's going on, guys? It's Clinton with Omega Vending, tapping in with another video today. And today, guys, I need your help. We have to go to one of my locations and replace a vend motor on one of my machines. It's been out for quite some time, and I just been having issues finding that particular part. And finally, I found a company. I mean, they just have, it's like a candy store. They have just about everything you think of. So I'll put their link down in the description here. That way, if you guys have parts that you need, they might be your play. Okay, so we'll do that. But first, you guys are gonna get to see how easy and simple it is to replace one of these things, man. I save so much money in my company because I fix a lot of the little stuff myself. I can tell you right now, you know, calling somebody out, a professional out, to do some of these things, I mean, you can spend up to $500 getting them out to replace or fix, you know, something simple that you can do yourself. Before we do that, guys, I have to go pick up some more shirts that I had made for my company. Let this be a word of advice to some of you vend operators out there. If you don't have them, make sure you brand up. Put your name on your chest, you know, so that when people see your machines and they see you inside of their establishment, they know who you are. I mean, nothing's more important in building a business than building a brand. And, you know, people remember brands. You know the deal. Get branded. Put your name on. I don't care if it just says your name. Put your name on a shirt. If you're building a business and you're offering a service to people, look professional when you go there. In terms of having your name on your chest and all that. So, other than that, guys, if you haven't already, hit this thing with a like. Please make sure you like the video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you dislike it already, go ahead and dislike it. And let me know why you dislike it so that I know how to gear the channel, so I know what content you want to see, okay? At the end of the day, I want to hear from all of y'all, but I'm going to go do that, and I'll meet you guys at the location. All right, guys? We'll see you soon. Guys, this is my CB500. We're going to be changing that motor out right here today. This one does not vend anymore, so the natural cost for that is that the motor has gone bad, so we're going to replace that. First, we got to take those drinks out the back, take those out, and then we're gonna take this panel off right here so that we can access that motor. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll let you guys see what's up with that. All right, guys, we got the front plate off. What we're gonna do is, this is the motor right here that we need to get to. So I'm gonna go ahead and identify the wires on here at the bottom, down here. I should be able to get to them. They're right here. You can't see, but they're right there. So we're gonna take those. I'm trying to get it there. We're gonna get to those, unhook it, and then we should be able to pull this. This pin is gonna be able to come out here. That way we can take the dispenser. We can pull that off. Okay. So give me a second so I can get to that, and I'll get with you guys in just a second. All right, guys, we got the pin out, the rod, and I already took the motor off. And it's obviously burnt out, so definitely need to be it's obviously burned out, so it definitely need to be replaced. So I have the new motor for this. The part for it is a 42152.001. I will put down in the description where I picked this up from. Company is a great company, man. They sell a lot of these things for these older machines. So yeah, I'll put their information down there at the bottom. But yeah, see the lines up. Hold on. 2.001. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there and get it all lined back up, button back up, and we'll check it out to see if it works. All right. Hey guys, we got the new motor in. We got it all hooked up. You also want to make sure that you zip tie it back so that it doesn't get caught on by anything. So we did that. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I think I said CB500. This is a CB500. My mistake for that. So yeah, got it all hooked up. And before you put anything, you want to first do a new motor count so that the machine can read that it has the right amount of motors. So it should be 10, and that's what it should do. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see what it says. Just gonna do the service mode button. Gonna do that. Push the service mode. Then you're gonna hit 2 for motor count. Hit 2. Oh, sorry. Hold on one second. That, and then I'm gonna do 2 for motor count. Motor count 10. All right. So before it was only giving me 9. So we're gonna go ahead and try to test Vend 18 and see if it works. And push the button again. This time we're gonna test Vend single motor 8, and then slot 18. And she's moving, y'all. She's moving. All right, so one thing with this being out for a while, is that I was losing money. I was losing sales. Where I could have had this filled up, could have been another $50, $60, $80, depending on what I had in there. So guys, it's fairly easy to repair these things yourself. Now, when it get down to the compressor and all that stuff, I have somebody do that. I don't do that myself. But like little stuff like this, motors going out, you can do that stuff yourself. So save your time, save your money. But yeah, that's it, guys. It's all working. It's vending. We're gonna try that thing again. Hold on. Gonna try that again. 18. Alright guys, if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. I'm here to assist you guys that are in the business, and hell, I'm learning too as I go. So make sure you do that. If you liked it, hit the like. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike. You know, I want to hear from everybody. But thanks again. I appreciate you guys coming through, and we'll see you guys next time.